शिक्षा वो शेरनी है जो इसका दूध पिएगा वो दहाड़ेगा. Externally, he faced many inhuman treatment from the society, from facing untouchability, denied access to drinking water, denied access to worship of God, his shadow even being considered impure, again and again subjected to socio-economic discrimination. Personally, he was also traumatized at every level, be it mental pressure, emotional pressure, social exclusion, physically tortured. All these situations and going beyond these situations and many more things which we even cannot think of has given rise to a person named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and created history in such a way that had never been before seen. So one of highest educated degree holder men at that time with a will and possessiveness of doing something towards humanity, and he did so in the end. Even after facing so much amount of torture which we even cannot think of or imagine, he did miraculous and futuristic things which played a key role in drafting of Indian Constitution and also an inspiration behind the creation of the Reserve Bank of India. What's holding us back to achieve everything and anything that we wanted to achieve in our life? Either it's doing higher education, learning any new skill, or anything from working on ourselves to changing societal taboos. Personally, what I have learned from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar life is संकल्प में विकल्प का ना होना ही संकल्प की सिद्धि है. And he proved so by his actions until his demise from among us.